Dear students, today let us understand data analysis. As you know very well, in case of business research, all these stages are very important. Since from defining the problem and after collection of the data, we will be in a situation where data is available with us, but that data as it is cannot be helpful for reaching the conclusions. As you know, the last stage is research report. For writing the research, we have to come to a conclusion, and for that, data analysis is very important. So, data analysis has got the stages called validation, editing, coding, data entry, data cleaning, and finally, tabulation and analysis. So totally I have told you 6 stages. All these 6 stages are to be understood one after the other. First thing is validation. First stage of the data analysis. What it is? Validation refers to the process of containing whether interviews conducted complied with selected norms or not. What do you mean by this? Before collection of the data, we have decided that interviews are to be conducted. For that, we have set our own norms. Now we have to see whether these norms are complied with the interview, what exactly we have conducted or not. For that, we go with the validation process. So, after validation, we have to do the editing. Editing is the process of checking for mistakes by the interviewer or the respondent in filling the questionnaire. As you know, while collecting the primary data, we go with questionnaires. So while filling the questionnaire, sometimes respondents do the mistake. Sometimes researcher himself or interviewer himself do some mistake. Now we have to do editing for understanding or checking whether mistakes are there or not. So after editing, we will go with coding. What is coding? Coding is the process of assigning numbers or symbols to answers in order to group the responses into limited categories. Now we are having the data in the form of questionnaires, isn't it? Now the answers are ready with the questions. We have to categorize the answers so that they will be limited categories and it will be easier for us to understand the data. So coding is that process of assigning either numbers or symbols. For example, if we are collecting the data from the landlords or the tenants. Now we have to assign number 1 to the landlord and number 2 to the tenant so that it will be understood very easily for us. After coding, we will go with data entry. What is data entry? Data entry means entering the data. It helps to convert the information gathered by somebody or primary methods to a medium that facilitates viewing and manipulating different means available for data entry. So data entry, as I have already told you, we are collecting the data and we are entering it. So for this, we may have two different methods of doing data entry. Actually, optical scanning we can go with, or barcode reader. It is also one of the option for us. Otherwise, voice recognition is also one of the methods. So these three types of data entry we can go with. After data entry, we will come with data cleaning. What is this data cleaning? It includes consistence check and treatment of missing responses. Is there any missing response for our interview, for our data collection? Is there any missing response? We have to check it out. So it is done in two ways. That the data cleaning can be done in two ways. That is, one is error checking routine and second one is marginal reports. So these are the two ways of data cleaning. After data cleaning, final stage of data analysis is tabulation and analysis. You know the tabulation, what it is. So once data is cleaned off, all errors and it is gone off, all errors are cleaned off, and now it is stored in a database. It should be tabulated to facilitate further analysis. So it is done, the tabulation, in two ways again. That is, one way is frequency tabulation and another way is cross tabulation. These are the two ways of tabulating the data. Along with this, as I have already explained, let me repeat the points once again. Validation, editing, coding, data entry, data cleaning and tabulation. All these 6 stages are over, means now the data is ready. One more word or concept we have to understand regarding this, which is called as data mining. What is data mining? Actually, it involves discovering knowledge by analyzing data from various perspectives and refining it into useful information. That is called as data mining. It leads to huge data which can be used for several purposes, and nowadays data mining is obviously preferable and every company is going with data mining. So dear students, as far as business research methodology is concerned, data analysis is very important from the point of view of examination and also from the point of view of knowledge. Just go through this and let us understand the further concept in another video.